Affordable slider windows Clearwater are the perfect choice for homeowners looking to enhance energy efficiency. With energy-efficient slider windows Clearwater, you can reduce your energy bills while enjoying a modern aesthetic. Our Clearwater window replacement experts specialize in providing top-notch window installation services, ensuring your home is equipped with the best slider windows Clearwater has to offer. Custom slider windows Clearwater are designed to meet the unique needs of your home. Whether you need residential slider windows Clearwater or commercial slider windows Clearwater, our window contractors Clearwater can create the perfect solution. From vinyl slider windows Clearwater to aluminum slider windows Clearwater, we offer a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Window installation Clearwater is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your slider windows Clearwater. Our Clearwater window installation specialists are experts in window frame installation, window glass replacement, and window screen installation Clearwater, Florida. We also offer sliding window maintenance Clearwater to ensure your slider windows Clearwater operate smoothly and efficiently. Impact-resistant slider windows Clearwater are a must-have for homes in Clearwater, Florida. These windows provide added security and durability, protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our impact-resistant slider windows Clearwater are designed to withstand the elements while offering a sleek, modern look. Sliding glass windows Clearwater, Florida add a touch of modern elegance to any home. These slider windows Clearwater offer unobstructed views and easy operation, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Our modern slider windows Clearwater are perfect for those looking to upgrade their home's aesthetic. Weatherproofing slider windows Clearwater is crucial for protecting your investment. Our window weatherproofing services ensure your slider windows Clearwater are sealed against the elements, preventing drafts and leaks. We also offer sliding window cleaning and sliding window upgrades Clearwater to keep your slider windows Clearwater looking and functioning their best. Vinyl slider windows Clearwater, Florida and aluminum slider windows Clearwater services offer versatile and durable options for any home. These materials are known for their longevity and low maintenance requirements, making them a popular choice for slider windows Clearwater replacement. Our Clearwater window contractors can help you choose the best slider windows Clearwater option for your needs. Double-pane slider windows Clearwater provide enhanced insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. These slider windows Clearwater are designed to reduce noise and improve energy efficiency, making them an excellent choice for Clearwater residents. Our double-pane slider windows Clearwater services ensure a perfect fit and professional installation. Affordable slider windows Clearwater, Florida are a top choice for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions. Our vinyl slider windows Clearwater and aluminum slider windows Clearwater offer durability and style, making them ideal for both residential slider windows Clearwater and commercial slider windows Clearwater. With our affordable slider windows Clearwater services, you can enhance your property's aesthetic without breaking the bank. Energy-efficient slider windows Clearwater are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our energy-efficient slider windows Clearwater, Florida services provide custom slider windows Clearwater designed to minimize heat transfer. Double-pane slider windows Clearwater and impact-resistant slider windows Clearwater are available to meet your specific needs, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Clearwater window replacement experts are here to assist with all your slider windows Clearwater needs. From window installation Clearwater to complete slider windows Clearwater installation services, our team of window contractors Clearwater is dedicated to providing the best slider windows Clearwater, Florida. Whether you need window frame installation or window glass replacement, we have you covered. Custom sliding windows Clearwater are perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Our modern slider windows Clearwater and modern window designs Clearwater offer a sleek and contemporary look. With sliding glass windows Clearwater, Florida, you can enjoy unobstructed views and easy access to the outdoors with slider windows Clearwater. Sliding window maintenance Clearwater is crucial for ensuring the longevity of your slider windows Clearwater. Our sliding window cleaning and sliding window parts Clearwater services help keep your slider windows Clearwater in top condition. We also offer sliding window locks Clearwater and window weatherproofing to enhance security and efficiency for your slider windows Clearwater. Window screen installation Clearwater, Florida is an essential service for maintaining the functionality of your slider windows Clearwater. Our window screen installation and window cleaning services Clearwater, Florida ensure your slider windows Clearwater remain clear and free from damage. Trust our Clearwater window installation specialists for all your slider windows Clearwater maintenance needs. Sliding window upgrades Clearwater can transform your home with the latest features and designs for slider windows Clearwater. Our sliding window upgrades and slider windows Clearwater installation services offer a range of options, including impact-resistant slider windows Clearwater, Florida and double-pane slider windows Clearwater. Enhance your home's value and efficiency with our expert slider windows Clearwater services. Residential slider windows Clearwater services cater to homeowners looking for reliable and efficient solutions. Our window contractors Clearwater provide comprehensive services, from window frame installation Clearwater, Florida to glass replacement Clearwater services. Trust us for all your residential slider windows Clearwater and slider windows Clearwater installation needs. Commercial slider windows Clearwater solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses. Our commercial slider windows Clearwater and sliding glass windows Clearwater, Florida offer durability and style. With our aluminum slider windows Clearwater services, you can ensure your business remains secure and energy efficient with slider windows Clearwater. Weatherproofing slider windows Clearwater is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our window weatherproofing and sliding window maintenance services help keep your slider windows Clearwater in excellent condition. Trust our Clearwater window contractors for all your slider windows Clearwater weatherproofing needs. Best slider windows Clearwater, Florida services are available for those seeking top-quality window solutions. Our Clearwater, Florida slider windows Clearwater installation and window installation Clearwater services are unmatched in quality and reliability. Choose us for the best in slider windows Clearwater installation and maintenance.